Chapter on the grades in superiority of the believers will be according to their good deeds. Narrated Abu Said Al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, whenever the people of paradise will enter paradise and the people of hell will go to hell, Allah Almighty will order those who have had faith equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed to be taken out from hell. So they will be taken out, but by then they will be blackened, charred. Then they will be put in the river of Haya or Haya, life. The narrator is in doubt as to which is the right word. And they will revive like a grain that grows near the bank of a flood channel. Don't you see that it comes out yellow and twisted? Wuhayb stated while narrating us. Amr, may Allah be pleased with him, used the word Haya, life. Moreover, he said, goodness equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed.